Hey lads, TechScanning here. So after months of leaks, Xiaomi finally confirmed the 1st of December 2022 to unveil the Xiaomi 13 handsets alongside a couple of other products including Xiaomi Watch S2, Buds 4 and MIUI 14. At this launch event, Xiaomi is expected to launch two models of its upcoming series, namely the Xiaomi 13 and the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Earlier in one of our videos, we talked about the design and some specifications. However, now a new render and some official information just pop out. So, ever since the Xiaomi 13 first renders came out, there was much talk about its bezels. Though later the reliable tipster Ice Universe claimed that the bezels will be narrower than the shown in the render. And now finally the Xiaomi CEO took to Weibo and shared the official poster, revealing that the vanilla model will have just a 1.61mm bezel on three sides, whereas only the chin bezel will be 1.81mm, which is still a very slim bezel compared to the competition. The phone will have the punch hole cutout for the front camera on the top center. The poster also revealed the Xiaomi 13 will have a total 93.3% screen to body ratio, which is incredible. A noticeable thing here, which is confirming the early renders, that the standard model Xiaomi 13 will feature a flat display, unlike the last year's Xiaomi 12 standard model, which came with the curved screen. Further, China's well-known smartphone case manufacturer also shared a leaked photo of the Xiaomi 13 vanilla model showing a similar design with a flat display. Besides the screen, it will also have the trendy flat edges. Another confirmed feature that all the Xiaomi 13 models will have the IP68 water and dust certification, which is of course a very appreciating addition. Moving forward, we already know that the Xiaomi 13 will be packed with a 4500 mAh of battery. The Xiaomi CEO shared the pictures of the battery test, claiming that the Xiaomi 13 will offer even more battery backup than the battery king iPhone 14 Pro Max. According to him, the Xiaomi will be equipped with the new battery technology. The standard model is expected to support 67W, while the Pro edition may come with the 120W fast charging. Next, a Weibo tipster Fannybook shared the first real-life photo of the Xiaomi 13 Pro in three attractive colors. And similar to what the render is suggesting, the phone has a square island for a triple camera setup alongside the LED flash and Leica branding. Anyway, both Xiaomi 13 models will debut with the powerful and the most latest internals like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. So the Xiaomi 13 series is almost here and I am more excited about its battery backup capabilities. What are your expectations? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and that's it for today. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.